So can we talk about this super affordable bob from Rpghair, under $140? Such a bomb slate, and it's entirely glueless, sis. No glue, no spray, no gel, nothing. This is an entire look, and I'm going to give you guys all the details, so make sure you keep on watching. So this is style LFW25, and this is a lace front wig. It has 4.5 inches of parting into the crown. It does have wefts along with an adjustable and removable elastic band, 3 combs around the crown and 1 at the nape. And this is 150% density. So this is super lush and thick, and it has that characteristic Yaki texture. Now this unit has pre-bleached knots, and it also has a pre-plucked hairline. But I definitely noticed like the part looks bomb, but I wanted to fix up the hairline. It's like plucked, but it can look a little bit boxy or a little bit full. So I went in and just created like a section, a very thin section towards the front. And I'm going to use my tweezers to pluck the hair. Now, again, this is optional, but you know, because of the lower price point, this is what you can kind of expect to do a little bit more customization, just keeping it 100 with you, sis. But again, this hair is super full. I love the ombre. Now, though the transitional density isn't exactly how I like, with a little bit of tweezing, you can transform this. Like, you guys are going to see the little before and after. Your girl did her thing, okay? Now, with just a few minutes of tweezing and plucking the hairline, look how much of a difference it made. And look at the other side. Do you see? We put in work, okay? And so I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So are you guys comfortable tweezing and plucking your own hairline? Do you send your units to a stylist, or are you someone who's in the experimental phase? I really feel like Rpghair offers super affordable units, and you know, you can also use my coupon code to get even more money off. So just keep that in mind. But I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys styles that you really enjoy. Now I'm just about finished tweezing and plucking the hairline and customizing it so it's to my liking. So I'm going to work on the part. It was a little bit off center, but not too much. And I'm using this electric hot comb to flatten the hair at the top. It did have a little bit of volume. It was a little puffy at the top, so this really helps to lay it down. And it just removes any humps that may be at the very top of the wig near the parting space. And next I'm going in with the flyaway tamer, which is like a wax stick. And you guys know I like to apply this on the hairline just to pull all of the hair away from the lace front edge. And it just makes for a neater install. And I'm using the freeze spray just to hold the hair in place so that it's flowing away from my hair. I'm not using it to install or adhere the unit. I just want to be clear. I just want to really show off that pre-plucked hairline and have the hair kind of flow backwards at the front. So now I'm removing the lace, and I want to do a little bit more of a jagged line, especially near the very front, near the part. But look at that meltdown, okay? I need to fix it up a little bit, but sis, that's a good little meltdown with no product. And now don't be afraid. You can always take your unit off to adjust the lace. If it's not cut the exact way you want it, you don't have to cut it on your head. Now I'm taking this elastic band, and I just like to use this during the styling process, and it also will further accentuate the hairline. So I'm flat ironing my hair on 415 degrees. This is very textured. It's very thick. I just want you guys to know this is 150% density. So you're getting very thick, full hair. For my girls who like a unit that mimics natural hair, this is it. Again, they did a really good job with the texture. It does have the little crimps in it. And if you flat iron the hair on a higher temperature, you're going to reduce the volume and kind of remove a little bit of the texture. So just keep that in mind. So if you just simply want to bump the ends or like blow dry it, that is an option. It's just going to be fuller and have more volume. Now, I just wanted to do something super easy. I know typically I do the most. So I just really wanted to show you guys, this is an effortless, everyday ombre bob wig. And the blonde color is so beautiful for my girls with melanin. Like if you're scared of color and you want something that's gonna work with your skin tone, this is it. Now, once I took that elastic band off, sis, I was here for. Okay, wait until, you know, I situate everything you guys see. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of pressed powder in the part to really define it. And I just used the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in Warm Sun and Sis. This is the whole entire look, okay? Just doing the finishing touches. But like I told you guys, this is entirely glueless, okay? Put it back down and slay, okay? Slay the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Rpghair. Don't forget to use my discount code. And as always, subscribe. Tell me when you do. Share this video with your homeboys and your homegirls. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling the look. And kiki with me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.